Hi, I'm Zola, and this is a tutorial for the classical Pilates mat exercise called the rollover. Let's get started. So this exercise is usually performed after the roll up, and as we know, the roll up, the upper body rounds up and over the legs. The rollover is the exact opposite. The legs roll up and over the body. If you have any neck issues, I would stay away from this one. Knees to the chest, legs go straight up to the ceiling. My arms are pressing down into the mat very firmly. So from here, using the abdominals, not using momentum, I lift my hips, rolling my spine off the mat. Legs reach behind me, flexing the feet, and then my toes find the mat. From here, I push the heels back one time. I separate my legs the width of my shoulders, push the heels back another time. And then as I roll down, I lift through the sides of the waist and then roll down through the spine, one bone at a time. Once my tailbone is down, my legs go to 45, my legs squeeze together, and then I roll my hips up and back. I flex and press once, open shoulder width, press again, and then roll it down. We do that 3 times this direction, lifting up, rolling back. You push, and you push. Roll down through the spine. Then we reverse those circles. So start with the legs shoulder width, flex the feet, lift the hips, and I'm keeping that space in the sides of my waist as I reach my heels back once. Close the legs, reach the heels back again, pushing the arms down, roll yourself down. Try to not collapse as you roll down through your spine. Legs come to 45, open shoulder width, flex the feet, roll up and over, press, squeeze together, press, and roll it down. We do that one more time. Lift up and back, press, and squeeze, roll down through the spine. Once your tailbone is down, you can bend your knees and rest. If you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe, add a comment, whatever you want to do, and I will see you next time.